This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. Go to the vouchers. Purchase voucher. Is company purchase 150 Whirlpool washing machines from Shama. Which date did we purchase it on? 1/8. $15,000. Is it clear, everyone? Next we will do is the return 50 Whirlpool washing machine to Shama Industries on 5/8. We will change the date to 1/9. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, it is 150 washing machines for 15,000 per unit, no, ma'am?
Oh, I interchanged that. No. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Shama Traders. Okay, against this particular, see, this is very important. Only when you have this put, only then it will be tracked, or else it won't be tracked. Is that clear? So putting against reference here is very important when you have put new reference there when you're creating the purchase voucher.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, date has to be 5th of August, right?
5th you cannot put. No, either keep the same date or do the next date. We did not change the date here. Oh, I changed for the previous, but then change it. I change the date to 1/9. Yes, class, you were able to do. Now go to Alt G. Your bills, payables, summer traders. So you can see two of the vouchers here, where one purchase voucher that and debit note. So automatically it is decreased from 26 lakhs. 8 lakhs is deducted. 17 lakhs is there to be paid. Is that everybody is getting the same thing? Try everyone. We can go further, class. Have you done? Class, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
You people don't talk, I get scared that I'm doing the class and you're not audible like the other day. Okay. Um, I think we have done with the sales vouchers, correct? Just take this photo, take a screenshot, work it after the class. We purchased these items and we sold them. Okay, we'll do the first one under exempted goods. So go to the vouchers. What does the question say? It says sold 75 liters of petrol at rupees 110 per liter by Cash Aman Enterprises. Here control A, change purchase exempted under purchase account, not applicable, go here, do yes, and here you have unknown, do that as exempted. I repeat, create a ledger of purchase exempted under purchase account. In the statutory details, is GST applicable? Say applicable. Set alter GST details. Do that as exempted. Hundred and ten, 75. That's all. Okay, take a screenshot of this. Do work after class. Sold 10 numbers via mobile phone. Sold.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, it was sold 75 liters of petrol. So, uh, the voucher will be debit note.
Okay.
Yeah, because ma'am, it was on the screen. It was showing debit note, so I got confused.
Yeah. No, I
Thank you.
had forgot to convert that to. Good that you reminded.
Okay.
The work what I'm doing is being slowly shown to you. I mean the net is slow or it is showing poor connection. I'm audible, no? I'm clearly audible. My screen is also clearly being seen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. This is intrastate, interstate. You want me to show one problem, interstate, intrastate, or it's clear with you? We'll do one intrastate. Sorry, interstate. Sold 20 numbers of Vivo Mobile at rupees 10,000 per piece to Archana Traders, Vizag. Code for Andhra. Class.
Ma'am, 37.
20 numbers. 10. 20 numbers. 20 numbers at 10,000. Why does this not come? Interstate
Ma'am,
is
because it is
IGST.
intrastate.
Correct. That's all. You see in your reports. Relevant is we did not put the correct this, no? So it comes under mismatch, or it comes in the irrelevant in the returns. One second. Why is for this? I'll change the period. See, it's from August 1st to August 31st. That is why it did not show. I'll do from 1/4. the petrol one what we did exempted. So it's come then nil rated invoices. All these are the correction to be made invoices. They are all the irrelevant, I mean, see, which does not have GST related invoices. Okay. So your GSTR one, that is about your sales or your receivables. Same thing, do this. The company sold 5 Dell computers at rupees 20,000 to Tara Traders, Karnataka. After a period of 10 days, returned 2 Dell computers on account of damages against the sales. Company sold 5 Dell computers. After 10 days, return 2 Dell computers. Against that particular bill. After 10 days, no, but you cannot do 10 days. What we will do is we will change the month, that's all. Is that clear? Do it, everyone. Ask me if you have doubts. I'll give you 2 minutes to finish. Do that fast. Do one sales exempted. I showed you sales exempted only, no? Purchase exempted actually. You do sales exempted. Done class? Or you want 2 minutes more? Okay. I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
So we did with stock journal voucher, physical voucher. One second. Okay. Now next what we are going to do is, now we created vouchers, correct? What we did is separately we gave GST this particular amount. So I don't want to specify them. Okay, I just want to give one complete amount which includes the tax. So I want one amount to inclusive of tax. Okay, so that is what we will be doing next. One second, I'll share the screen. My screen visible? Is the tally screen
No,
visible?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
1 second. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Shalini, I will be sharing the PPT with all of you. Maybe like 2-3 class before the exam. 2-3 days before the examination. Okay. So now what we will be doing is, as I told you, GST supply inclusive of taxes. First, we'll create a trader, or we'll take one of the traders only. I will take computers. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to change in the configurations. Okay. What is the shortcut key for configurations?
F12.
F11.
F12.
Who was the first one to answer?
Satakshi, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, good. So in that F12, set the option allow entry to rate inclusive of taxes for stock item to be yes. Oh, do that yes and then save. You can see that rate under that rate, you have the thing called inclusive of tax. Yes, is that visible to everyone? Quantity is there, rate, under that rate you see inclusive of tax. Two quantities, rate inclusive of tax. Automatically, the rate is 15,237, but as here include tax, here it is 18%, correct? See for Dell, control enter and see it is 18% here. So automatically 18% it is calculated. The amount you give with the tax. For example, if I'm giving this as 20,000 with the tax, then see 16,949 is my um, price per unit. Is that clarified with everyone? Did you get this difference? What happens price with and without inclusive of tax. Did you get the difference? Take down. Take down the steps also to do inclusive of tax. Any doubt? We'll do one more problem with that. Take this. I'll save this. I'll do one more with the same trader. Sales. Laptops. So automatic it is showing you what rate you sold the last goods. Last laptop was sold at 45,000. I'll put the amount as 5. So automatically it will show me with the. So you can see the set here. What it says is the tax amount does not match the value calculated as per the set tax rate. Verify central tax and state tax amount in the tax analysis report. That means as whatever the percentage is given here and the amount I gave is not matching as per the rate. So that is the reason this warning it is showing me. Mismatch due to tax modification in vouchers. See, it is showing you what tax differences we did make. Okay, next. Next, we will do with the services. And share the screen. So, counting of supply of services. After enabling GST in the company, one can record inward and outward supply of services using purchase voucher for receiving services and sales of receiving and using sales voucher respectively. So same way how we created for goods, we'll be creating them for services. Remember when we created the creditors and debtors, we had an option of goods and services. We opted goods that time. We have to opt services here. So first exercise says the company provided advertising services of rupees 50,000 5 lakhs to Zenith Private Limited, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Additional GST at 18% is charged on the invoice. Just take down this, then we'll do this in practical. Class, I'm audible. Class, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
My
Yes,
screen
ma'am.
has been seen. My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Sorry, I had there is some disconnection. Okay. Um, it says, did you take this problem so that we can solve them? Okay. So what does the question says? It says the company provided advertising services. Whom? Zenith Private Limited. So go to voucher. We provided or we provided. So sales. Alt C. And here we create sales. Alt C. Sales service. Under sales. Here you do it as service. Do this as service. So you don't have any items here, correct? You change the mode to accounting invoice. Let's see, what was that? Advertising service. Fifty thousand. 50,000 Bangalore. Somewhere I have not given GST. Okay, next one. Charged on the invoice. So 18% automatically, as I put in the advertising account, 18% was taken. Next, accounting exempted services. The services which is nil rated. The services. I'm audible, class.
Ma'am, you're audible, but your screen is stuck, ma'am.
1 second. You're not able to see the PowerPoint.
No, ma'am.
One second. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Next, accounting exempted services. So basically, the services which are being exempted from the GST or the nil rated one. So those things, those based on those services, we'll be creating the vouchers. So exempted services are the services which are not subjected to tax. So as I told you, these services which we render will not have tax. They will have amount for the service rendered, but not tax will not be applicable. An exempt supply means any goods or services or both. So as one of the exempted voucher we did, so we did not apply the tax for it. So it can be either goods or services, or it can be both of them, which attracts nil rate of tax, or that may be wholly exempt from tax, including non-taxable supplies. So it might be partially or it completely. Okay, nil rated tax means 0%. That means they will come under, but they are not um, channelized into taxes. So thus exams a supply includes the supply of following types of goods or services: supply attracting nil rate of tax, supplies wholly exempted from tax, non-taxable supplies. Accounting of exempted sales. The company provided agriculture services to KK Farms for rupees 50,000 and this service is exempted from GST. So agricultural services sales account, GST must be applicable. Description agricultural services, nature of transaction will be sales exempted, type of supply will be services. You'll do this practical and we'll do it. So what you need to do is first create, go to sales, Alt C, to KK Farms. KK Farms.
Ma'am, the PPT is visible, ma'am.
Is this clear? That's all. So you go to the company, create agricultural services in under sales account, and then give the agricultural services, nature of transacted. So that is very important. Making that a sales exempted is very important. When you do that as sales exempted, only then it will not apply under tax. It will come under exempted services. Okay, see your reports, see all the reports. So I want you to do 5 both together exempted of sale services, purchase and sales. To maybe 3 purchase and 3 sales you do. I will send one scenario for your practice. One second. Okay.